Hi, shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my live. Hi, Robert Castaneda. Hi, shout out Chef Mike Pemolasio Vlogs. Welcome to my live. Hi, Alexander Wen. Welcome back to my live again. So guys, I'm so hungry right now. Shout out Chef Mike. Hi. Welcome to my live. You can join on my Patreon membership, guys. Please come to Austria. Give me some money and I will come. I will come in Austria. Give me some money, guys. Please. I love and like you so much. Thank you so much for liking me. I can't open this. Pwede ba kitang ligawan minsan? Pwede naman kung may ipapakain ka sa akin. Hi, shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my live. You can join on my Patreon membership, guys. I'm from Philippines. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Philippines and I am 20 years old. Another question. Give me WhatsApp number. No. Put your WhatsApp number and I will message you. Hi, Christian. Welcome to my live. I don't understand you. Sorry, you're beautiful. I really wish I could. B? Busal? Welcome to my live. Face super. Thank you. You want to ask my social media account, guys? Just send me on my PayPal. Sino kasama mo dyan? Wala. Gusto mo ko samahan? Give me your shirt.